Hi, my name is Matt, and today we're talking about Fundamental 22. Be relentless about your progress. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs, one step at a time, including some risk, challenges, and an occasional failure too. We must yearn to learn, grow, to continuously improve our work and efficiency, ourselves and our organization through every step, everything we can be and improved our, and everyone can improve. Never settle for the status quo. Good is the enemy of great. Action.
I'm Hunter.
And I'm Eli.
When was the last time you failed but kept going?
On a test, I got a bad grade. I failed it, and I got better, made a correction, and studied more about that stuff or section.
What's your best subject and how do you get better?
Math, and you get better by studying cards like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition.
How is your progress?
I would say it's pretty good.
What sports do you play and how do you get better?
Football and basketball, and you get better by practicing and getting better and playing with people better than you.
What are some challenges you face in the classroom or sports?
I don't get what the question is asking sometimes in class, and I reread it and focus on it, and I don't have for sports.
That's all the questions. I'm Hunter.
And I'm Matt.
When was the last time you failed but kept going?
During, I would say, last year, I struggled a lot.
What's your best subjects and how do you get better?
My best subject is math and social studies, and I got better from practicing more and more.
How is your progress?
My progress is pretty alright. It's going good.
What sports do you play and how do you get better?
The sports I play are basketball, football, and I mostly practice with my team.
What are some challenges you face in the classroom or sport?
In flag football, I kept getting tackled and pulled my flag, but I got better and better over the years. And I used to be scared of the ball. Hunter, thank you for interviewing me.
Thank you.
Okay. Good job.
You said thank you, and I said thank you.
Cut.